Presented by Church Tech U, it's the ProPresenter show. On today's show, how to add additional displays in Apple Silicon Macs, although this does also work in Intel Macs, for ProPresenter use only. Hi, and welcome again to the ProPresenter show. This is the show where I teach you all about ProPresenter. My name's Paul Allen Clifford. And before we get started, if you've ever needed like one more display, or maybe you need to do 2, 3, or 8 more displays for a ProPresenter, go ahead, subscribe, like, thumbs up, all that fun stuff. So this is a question that I get quite a lot, where people will say, hey, I've got one of the Apple Silicon Macs. Maybe it's an M1, maybe it's an M1 Pro, maybe it's an M2, whatever, and they just need one more display. Well, there are inexpensive ways to do that, but they're not supported, and there's a reason for that. They might leave you high and dry. So I'm not going to recommend any of those. I'm going to recommend instead some stuff that I found that works basically all the time. There is occasionally you'll get a glitch, but a lot more often than not, once you get it working, it just keeps on working. So the first thing I have, it's not actually the recorder, the Ultra Studio Recorder 3G, but it looks just like this. It just does exactly the opposite thing. You want one of these, only instead of recorder, so I'm going to cover that up. Instead of recorder, it will say monitor. And it's, I think, $115 retail. And it's just a little doodad that plugs in Thunderbolt 3 on one end, and then it comes out either SDI or, see if I can do this while looking at my monitor, HDMI. And that's up to you. So you can add 1 or 2 of these into your computer as long as you've got enough Thunderbolt ports, and you can get a couple more displays for ProPresenter only. So that's one thing you could do. You can also use a DeckLink Duo 2, and notice that it has 5 connectors. One of those is reference, so it actually can do up to 4 outputs. So if you need 1 or 2 more, I would get the monitor adapters. If you need 3 or 4 more, then get a DeckLink Duo 2, and then you don't need the monitor adapter, so you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. There is a big brother to this that's called the Quad 2, and it has 9 connectors or 8 outputs in reference, so you could use that instead. So you might be noticing that, wait, Paul, that's a card. My Mac doesn't have the ability to stick a card in there. No problem. Let's head over to my computer and I will show you what I would do. So let me get out a ProPresenter here. And this is the Sonnet Echo 3 Thunderbolt expansion chassis, or the StarTech. Either of these, I've heard a lot of good about both of those. Looks like this one is, they don't currently have them in stock. I know some people are using these. Something like this should work. No, I don't think that would, because that is dual drive. So not that. But what you, and actually now that I'm looking at it, not that. So what you do need is, it needs to be a Thunderbolt 3 PCIe expansion chassis for Thunderbolt 3 devices. So one of those two will absolutely work. I actually have a third one that they don't make anymore. At the time when I ordered it, they were out of both of these, and the third one was available. So I asked in the ProPresenter users community if anyone had used it, and someone said yes, and I'm glad that they did, because I was able to order it and then put my card in there. plug it into power, and then plug the Thunderbolt cable in, and it's worked since then. So, by the way, this also will enable you to do alpha channels if you've got a video switcher. So that's something else to keep in mind. One thing that you should note is while the uh, monitor 3G adapters both do SDI and HDMI, it only does one of those at a time, first thing. And secondly, those adapters do both of those, but the Decklink Duo 2 and Quad 2 only do SDI. Now you can absolutely get a converter to convert that over to HDMI if that's what you need in your system, but just keep that in mind. So I'll leave links to all this stuff below the video. It doesn't cost you anything else, but if you order them from Amazon or anything for that matter, I do get a little bit of something as an advertising fee. So that does help me make these tutorials. So that should be helpful to you if you need to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 8 additional outputs from ProPresenter, because these do not show the desktop, so it's not going to give you another regular monitor that you could put Photoshop or something on. No, these are only for software that knows about them, like ProPresenter. If you like this content, you'd probably like my ProPresenter 7 Quick Start course, so head on over to TDM.fyi/pro, the number 7, and quick. Give me your name and email address, and I'll make a login for you for free automatically instead of the $29 that normally costs. Until next time, this is Paul Allen Clifford from TrinityDigitalMedia.com and ChurchTechU.com, reminding you to go out and change eternity.